What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the Road to Wealth YouTube channel. If you're new here, basically I'm documenting what I'm doing to make money online and sharing it with you guys so that you too can make money online. To my subscribers, I do want to apologize for the lack of uploads. I have had some distractions these past couple of weeks, but I will be doing my best to produce consistent quality content for you guys. So don't give up on me. I will be making a lot more videos. I have some great video ideas that I think you guys will enjoy a lot. So stay tuned for those videos. Anyways, in this video, I'll be creating an AdFly account to see how much money can actually be made with AdFly. If you don't know what AdFly is, it's basically a way to monetize your links with ads. So if someone were to click your link, they'll be taken to an AdFly ad first, and they'll be forced to wait 5 seconds before they can proceed to the original link. In return, you get paid every single time someone clicks on that link. Since I use a lot of links on my tech channel, I thought it'd be great to try this out and see how much AdFly actually pays and see if it's actually worth using AdFly. I'll be placing these links on my 2 most popular videos. Combined, these 2 videos get 75,000 views per month, so I do believe they'll get a good amount of clicks for this test. As I just mentioned, this is just a test. I do not plan on keeping the AdFly links, as I feel it's not going to be worth the low pay, and I also think it's just gonna annoy my viewers a lot. But I still want to try this out to show you guys a real example of how much you can expect to make with AdFly and whether or not it'll be something you may be interested in. AdFly is known to pay low amounts. I don't know exactly how low that is. However, I did hear it's somewhere between 50 cents to $2 per 1,000 clicks. So I'm not certain with this, but that's why we're testing it out. The minimum payout is $5. Once I reach that, I'll be making another video showing you guys the results, such as how many clicks it took to get that money, as well as any negative feedback I got from my viewers, if any. Maybe they didn't like it, maybe they just didn't care at all and didn't say anything. So I'll also be letting you guys know that in my next video. AdFly also does have a referral program which earns you 20% of all earnings of the people you refer. I'll put my referral link in the description below if any of you guys are interested in checking out AdFly as well. I don't expect anyone to sign up under my referral. However, if I do get some, I will be letting you guys know in the next video how much I earned for that as well. The goal of this mini series is to show you guys whether or not AdFly is worth it or not. My prediction is that it will not be worth it for my tech channel. I think the viewers will just not like it whatsoever. That is just my prediction. We will have to wait and see what happens. And also, just because it may not be worth it for me, that doesn't mean it won't be worth it for you. Again, I can't really say too much in this video since we haven't even tried it out. I will be giving you guys my full thoughts once I actually have tried it out and seen how people react to it and how much money you can actually make with AdFly. So if you are interested in seeing the result, feel free to subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified once I do release new videos. If you enjoy videos like this and want me to continue to make videos similar to this one, please smash that like button. It really does help out a lot. So now we'll be going on to my laptop and creating an AdFly account and then placing the links onto those 2 videos that I mentioned. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here we are on the AdFly website. As you guys are able to see here, get paid for every person who visits your URL. Down over here, we can see that you are only required $5 before you can get paid out. And then they also advertise that all advertisements are family safe with no pop-ups. So we're gonna go ahead and create an account right now. Another thing before we get started is I do want to apologize if there was any background noise in that last clip that I showed. There was people at my house and they're being quite loud, so I do apologize about that. I will do my best to film when it's more quiet in my house. Having said that, we're gonna go over here to the join now button and go ahead and click on that. This is actually going to be my first time creating an AdFly account, so we're going to go ahead and fill in these blanks. It looks like we just need a name, creating a username, email, account type, password, and then just a little human check. So I'll be back as soon as I have filled out this information. Alright guys, so now that we have filled everything in, we're gonna go ahead and hit I agree and then hit the join button. Hopefully everything will process correctly. Alright, so up here we have an alert which just says that our username is basically too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another username, hit join. not now. Alright, so it says they sent me an email. And then it says it can take up to an hour for delivery. I'm gonna go ahead and check my email now, and then hopefully it's already been sent and I don't have to wait a full hour. Alright guys, so basically what happened was they sent me a code right away to my email. All I had to do was copy and paste it into their website, and everything went well from there. So I did not have to wait an hour. It was done very fast. I did do that on my phone, so I wasn't able to show you guys on my computer. So we're gonna go ahead and log in and see how everything looks and get our links. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and log in. So here we are. So we have 0 views and 0 earnings. Over here, let's see what this is. I have no idea what this is. We're just gonna keep it at random domain. That's where it was set. So this is how the dashboard looks. It looks like you'll get your referral link right over here under referrals. So here we are, 20% for life, and then down over here we also have how many referrals we have, and then total earned by referral. So if I do get any referrals, I'll just show you guys this page so that you can see how much I earned for the referral. But other than that, we're gonna go back over here to home and then get our links right over here. So in the next video where I do show you guys the results, I'll be going over a little bit more of the interface once I get more familiar with it. But for now, we're just gonna get the links and put them in our videos. So we'll go ahead and do that now. I already have the 2 videos loaded up where I'm gonna put the links. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'll have the link with AdFly, and then I'm just gonna keep the original link right over here. If people get too annoyed with the AdFly link, they'll still be able to use the original link. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this, go back to AdFly, and then type it in right over here, or paste it in right over here, hit shrink, and then it should give us our new link. So we'll go ahead and copy that, go back over here, and then paste it. So there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and save, and then I'm gonna do the same with this other video I have right over here. So we went ahead and added it onto this video as well. That basically sums up the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Be on the lookout for my results video in the near future. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.